It's possible to create role-based access in CloudM, and that would allow you to define what permissions are relevant to what admins, to ensure that your administrators only have access to what they need. Under Settings, click Roles. Then within Roles we can see a list of roles that have already been created, but let's create a new role. We'll give it a name, we'll call it Admin1. We could create from a template and select a predefined template of permissions. Let's go first line support. Give it a description and choose a scope. Scope simply means the reach of the permissions. So for example, if we choose global, the permissions can be applied to every OU. If we choose specific OU, the permissions that could then only be applied to a specific org unit. I'm going to choose global and then create new role. Once it's been created, we can then assign it to users. So the assignment could be either based on org unit membership, an individual profile, or group membership. Group membership can include smart teams as well. I'll assign it to a profile. Let's pick Bradford. Choose an org unit that it applies to. We chose the scope as global, so I'm just going to select the root OU. If we chose specific OU, we could choose a dedicated sub OU where permissions would only apply or be allowed to be used on users within that OU. Let's click Add. And now this role, Admin1, is granted to Bradford. The same process applies when you want to assign permissions to groups. Under the Permissions tab, you can see what permissions are unassigned versus what permissions are assigned. And to change these, you can click them and just move the arrows to move them left or move them right. Once you've made any changes, be sure to click Save. If you need to delete a role, there's a delete button here. So let's go ahead and delete the Admin1 role I created. Under Directory and then Users, when you select a user and then go to Actions, there's the Manage Roles option. This would show a list of roles that this user has, and then you can also assign roles directly from the user profile section here. And let's delete the demo admin's role, because we know this test user shouldn't have demo admin access.